Predicting the remaining useful life of industrial machines is critical. Yet, if only limited amounts of data are available, this can present quite a challenge. Flanders Make has developed a set of algorithms to detect faults and predict the remaining lifespan of bearings based on data-efficient AI and digital twin technologies. Our algorithms perform significantly better than current state-of-the-art benchmarks, even when there is only a limited amount of training data to hand. In this accelerated bearing lifetime test demo, we run two novel approaches based on vibration data for the estimation of the remaining useful life of a ball bearing. The first approach merges novel features with historical data to compute the remaining useful life and requires only one degradation test for training. The second approach exploits synthetic data generated by a model and does not require any degradation test for training. The estimated remaining useful life is computed in real time in the cloud and is displayed on an interactive dashboard. Come and enjoy a glimpse of the future.